Thank you for joining with me. I am Lady Luna. It is an honor and a pleasure to join with you and communicate with you today. As you know, there are great changes upon your world, and these have been foreseen for centuries. It is not to be taken lightly, your roles individually and collectively throughout these great changes that you are amidst. There is still more work to do. There is still more energy to shift. There are still more alignments to be had. There are still more ascensions to make. Even if you are tired, dear ones, we ask you, we invite you, we would implore you if we were allowed. However, we are not, because it is your free will whether you fulfill your contracted agreements or not. We remind you, however, of the agreements that you have made before you came into incarnation as what you agreed to do in this lifetime. Many of you have forgotten, and many of you have found that your agreements have been too hard to fulfill and have put them to the side. And some of you have had agreements changed along the way in accordance with new circumstances, oftentimes aligned with free will of yourself or others that you are contracted to work with being changed. Needless to say, we ask you to please pick up your contracts, please fulfill your agreements. The inner work that you need to do, the old wounds that you need to heal, the old energies that you need to bless and release and let go of once and for all. We ask that you do this now without delay. This is not a time to be putting things off into the future. The time is right now. This has been brewing for thousands upon thousands upon thousands of years. Please, dear ones, lay down your swords, lay down your harsh words, forgive yourself for any shortcomings that you perceive yourself to have. Forgive others who have caused you pain or suffering, no matter how deep the wound, no matter how great the wound, no matter how much pain and suffering you have endured, no matter how much you feel there is an injustice. We ask you to please lay these to the side. Heal your own wounds within yourself, independently of what others are doing or not. This is your own journey that you are responsible for. Please, dear ones, we ask of you now, heal your wounds once and for all. This does not mean soldier on regardless. This means go inside your heart, go inside your bodies, go inside where the pain is, zoom in upon the pain, zoom in upon the anxiety, zoom in upon the darkness of depression, zoom in upon your ailments. Do not shy away from them. Do not anesthetize them at this point unless you are at desperation point and you need a temporary stopgap, a breather, if you will, so that you can come back and readdress your issues at a later time, but not much later, sooner than later, dear ones. This is the opportunity that you need to grasp with both hands now. Go deep inside, go inside the pain, go inside the anxiety, go inside the depression, go inside the guilt, the shame, the blame, the suffering, the anger, the rage, the terror. Zoom in upon the discomfort. Zoom into the spaces within your pain. Find the stillness within the pain. Find the stillness within the gap. Slow your breathing, relax your body. Allow the violet flames of transmutation to transmute the discomfort within the gap. Because indeed, within the gap, there is no discomfort. Within the gap, there is no depression, no anxiety, no anger, no rage. Allow the violet flames to transmute the energies and the emotions, the triggers, the wounds, the stories that have caused you pain for so long, that have kept you stuck for so long, that have kept you sabotaged for so long. And then invite in the bright white Christ light, the bright white universal light of love, of unconditional love, and fill the space where the pain used to be. Fill the space where the anxiety, the depression, the anger, the rage, the fear, the terror, the guilt, the blame, the shame, where it used to be. Do not leave a hole, dear ones. Fill the space. And feel not only the space, but feel your entire physical body. All of your cells, your DNA, your heart, your mind, your muscles, your organs, your systems. Fill your physical body to overflowing. Allow the white light of unconditional love to spill out past your physical body. Feel your etheric body. Feel your emotional body. Feel your mental body. Feel your spiritual body. Feel your cylinder of light on all levels. Feel your bridge to your higher self, to the higher realms. Fill your cylinder of light with unconditional love, with the bright white light of the universe, dear ones. We invite you to do this now. This work can only be done by you. No healer can do it for you. You are the one who has the keys. Healers can help you. Healers can help you get 80% of the way. That last 20%, you must do it yourself, dear ones. We ask that you do this now. And when you have completed, take yourself into nature, into the trees, into the beach, into the garden, out into the moonlight, somewhere in nature, and reground yourself. If you need to replay my words and repeat the exercise to go deeper, or to attend to other areas of discomfort and other areas of disparity, then please do so. Please do not delay. Blessings. This is Lady Luna. Please ask for the assistance of your highest guides, of any of the beings of light that you have a natural affinity with. Ask and we will help you. We cannot do it for you, but when you ask, we can assist you, dear ones. Blessings. It is an honor to communicate with you today. Thank you. Go in full faith.